warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am a Zikra Noor. My madrasa name is Tanjimul Quran Cadet Madrasa. I am in class 5. I am talking about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I am a Muslim. Islam is my religion. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is my prophet. He is the best, greatest creation of all. He was born in 517 AD in Makkah. His father was Abdullah and his mother was Amina. He lost his father before birth and lost his mother. He was only 6. His grandfather Abdul Muttalib brought him up. He was very honest and truthful. Everybody called him Al-Amin for his truthfulness. He gave us the Quran of Allah and his Sunnah to lead our life. We must follow him in every sphere of our life. I love my Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.